Grabovoi concentration exercises, 29th day of the month. Exercise number 1. On the 29th day of the month, you should perform a summarizing concentration exercise. On this day, you are expected to review all of the exercises from the 1st to the 28th day, but you must perceive them as a single impulse. This is very important. You should grasp the path that you have covered during the entire month in a single instant of perception. In doing this, you should subject your work to a certain analysis. This is the day when you create something like a platform for your next month's work. You can visualize everything you have done in the form of a sphere, and then place this sphere on an infinite straight line whose starting stretch extends into the next month. Hence, you will create not only a platform for the next month, but also for your eternal continuous development. Exercise number 2, 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 8, 5, 2, 1, 4, 2. 9-digit sequence. 5, 1, 2, 9, 4, 2, 1, 8, 0. Exercise number 3. Look at the world with your own eyes. Look at the world with all of your feelings. Look at the world with all the cells of your body. Look at the world with your entire body and with everything with which you are able to see and everything that you are. Look at the world and at yourself, and look within yourself. Look at the world with the understanding that the world is all around you, that it envelops you. Look at the reality that grants you life. Look at the reality that has granted you eternity. You will then see that wherever you should look, there is no other reality but this one that grants you life and grants you eternity. God is the creator of this reality, and God, who created this reality, also created eternal life. He sees you as you see yourself, and He sees you as you don't see yourself. He is your creator. He is God.